Hi guys, this is our room at Machan. It's a beautiful room. Two people can sleep here and two people can sleep out up on the upper deck here. And there is one toilet there also. And then there is a toilet here. And this is open bathroom. See? Very nice. And then from here, this is the outside view, which is beautiful. Look at the view. And this is open bathtub. There is no view to this particular villa or any of the villas here from outside, so you can feel free to have a bath here in the bathtub and enjoy the nature and look at the view there. Super. It's very nice. I don't know how safe it is because there are a lot of trees out here, so you can see some pathways down. So can you see that pathway? So that's leading towards another Machan maybe. And there are a few activities like jungle trek and other things like the trekking on the there are some forts nearby, so